I'm enjoying these beds, guys. They just so beautiful. I don't know what we call this. They're eating grass, and if you get close to them, it's like oh my goodness, look at them. They are really hungry. When I get close to them, it's like I'm chasing them. They're going straight. I don't know if they will go inside the water or what. Let me just have a look. If I go closer, see what they will do. Oh God. Hello. Hello. Ooh. Woo. They're chasing me. Oh guys, they're chasing me. That's why I'm making this noise. I'm enjoying them. Look. Don't chase me. I'm just here to look at you. I love you so much. Oh. Ooh, look. Guys, I need to move now, otherwise I'm gonna be in danger. Bye. Bye bye, see you later. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Okay, now I'm crossing the bridge. I'm going to Waitrose. It's a supermarket, so I'm going there to grab some few items for supper today. So this is where I'm heading, to Waitrose. It's about 10-minute walk. It's me and my grandpa here. He's just explaining me what is this place all about. And because I'm interested, sometimes when I'm break like this, I want to go out and start doing some other activities. So he's happy to help me around and take me around here. Say hi to my viewers.
Hello there, all right?
Yes, they're all right. Yes,
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, like I
Oh,
say,
there we go.
we're from April until first week in October.
Oh, okay.
That's the outside.
House over there, guys, is the storeroom or the changing room. And while people there are watching, they just sit on the benches there. And then here, there we go. What is this house all about now?
This is our clubhouse.
Oh, a clubhouse.
Yeah.
Okay. What do they do in here?
Right.
Okay. Let me show. Thank you.
Right.
Oh,
Here.
look, that's
This is
lovely.
club. You know, when we end of each matches, we comes in here. We has a bit of food and that. Yeah. We has also we has indoor bowls here as well.
Oh, okay.
When all this is took away, we put a big mat down.
Oh, okay.
And we have indoor bowls and short.
Okay.
We also have this goes all sorts of things up there. It's on there. If I shows on here.
Okay.
On here.
Oh.
On there. If you can see that. That's what
There's a
happens.
quiz night and
Quiz
the
night.
bowls club. Oh,
anybody could come to the quiz night. Anybody can come to that. Admittedly.
Okay, but how much is the ticket? Because here it says £3.
Let me.
Because maybe let's just find out how much is the ticket for you to come in here, because some of them they say £3.
Tickets on there for the social.
Okay.
And we had some music at a disco. Boom, boom, boom. Mince pies and sausage rolls on that at night, 17th of December.
Oh.
3rd of December, you can bring your own bit of grub.
Okay.
Okay. That's Sky.
Oh, so the ticket is £15. So
Yeah.
everything is arranged until December, because I see the 17th of December there's something going on here, and the 3rd and all that. Okay. So we go into this room now. Oh, so this is their kitchen. So guys, when you just come here and there's activity outside, we do the ball. Is it bowl.
Bowling, yeah.
Yeah, bowling. And then when we're done bowling,
Yeah.
and then we come inside here, and we can just have a chat here with your mates, or you can make friends. Actually, here you come and then you meet people that and then hang on a bit, and then from there, if you want to make a cup of tea in here, then that's their kitchen. There we go. That's their lovely kitchen here. Yep.
For you.
Oh, guys, there's a bar as well. Wow, my goodness. So you've got everything, actually.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I love wine. Okay, so in the meantime, there's no one here because there's no activity today. So, but if there will be somebody helping out with some beer, some wine, some gin and everything.
Yeah.
And what about the music then?
We have the disco, mainly.
Yeah. Tell them to thank you and then please subscribe to her channel.
Thanks very much. Listen to me. So if you want to come over, we're usually here on Sunday from 12 o'clock onwards. If you want to come over and have a chat to us about joining the club, it's cheap enough.
Yeah.
Or just come over and just have a drink and have a chatter. Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for watching, and that's my what can I say?
Bye.
Yeah, but he was my grandpa. He was showing me around, and thank you so much for your time. And yeah, your place is lovely. Yeah. Thank you for taking me around. And
all we need is members over in and have a good time. That's
yes. As you can hear, guys, they just want you to come here and have a good time.
Have a good time.
Yeah, have some chat.
It's a good day out when you're playing bowls.
Yes, yes, I agree. Yeah. I love the green. It's so nice and green. So I'll come. So you say they're opening on the 2nd of April until October, right?
Look, I'll tell the boys you can come over.
Anyway, guys, I'll catch you up. As I was just going to Waitrose, so I just thought, let me just come here and then speak to my mate. Bye bye. Nice meeting you. Bye bye. Thank you. All right. Bye bye. Bye. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so beautiful. Everybody will be here. They say they're not opening on this Sunday, but the coming Sunday they'll be open, and you can come here and then you meet the president of this club. You see, it's such a nice place to be. Okay, I think what's there? I don't know what's there. Yep. So I'm still on my way to Waitrose, and then I'll catch you guys up there. Thank you. My people, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I know there are other supporters who support me every time, but they forget to click on the thumbs up. It is important, guys, to give a video a like. This is a thumbs up that is showing on the YouTube just in front of the screen. When you watch the video, there's a small thing goes like that. Thumbs up, guys. Click on it each time you watch this video. First thing first, click on the thumbs up, as it is very important. So, and then guys, don't watch without subscribing. And I know it's not a must to subscribe to my channel, but I'm just asking you so that you help me grow, as you know that I'm a new YouTuber. So give me some support, guys. I support you, we support each other. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. There you go, guys. So as I told you that I'm going to Waitrose. This is a supermarket called Waitrose. We've got Tesco, Aldi, Lidl, M&S, Waitrose, and you name them. Asda. But this one, sorry, just waiting for the car to pass. So this one, it's a bit more pricey. It's like when you're in South Africa, it's like more like Woolworths. Yeah, Woolworths, yeah. So I'm just heading in there. So yeah, this is where I'm going now. It's just arrived. I'm going inside. The prices there are, they're expensive, yeah. So let's see what they've got for us inside. It's so pretty. Oh dear.
Thank you.
Let's see how much is this. £2.50. So Christmas is approaching, as you can all see. So lovely. Wow. There you go. So here is the... I need to buy some of this for the fire in the house, the wood. I think this one you have to just put the fire lighters and you put this one to amplify the fire. It's so nice. I was just asking the price for this one. I think they're saying £5. He was not sure of the price, but I'll figure it out inside because I'm looking for the fire lighters. So the coal and everything. There we go. Okay, now I'm inside Waitrose. There's nice flowers there. The store is quite big. Christmas time. Alcohol. See, when you just buy this salmon, just 2, and this tiny bit, it's like £5. What is the price for this? Like £5 for South African currency is 100 and something. So things are gone up. Things are very expensive everywhere. Can you imagine these haddocks? Yeah, haddock, £7.30. It's a way too expensive, but I mean, all of them actually. So when they marinated this one, okay, it's reduced to £5, but it used to be like £6.10. Oh, prices are gone higher every day. So we've got some salmon in the basket. There we go. Okay guys, so we needed a pot in the house. There we go. So I just bought this one. I bought this non-stick pot for £22. 400 and something South African rand. So yeah, it's in the basket because we don't have a pot. There we go. And minus one problem. And we also have some wooden spoon here. This one it's £6. Obviously this one is for pap. Oops, hold on. This one is for pap. Obviously this one is for other things, stew and eggs and all that. Yeah, so in the basket we've got some spoon, wooden spoon, a pot and salmon, and I need some rocket and I need some chicken. So yeah, we're nearly there. You see guys, so just for this 1, 2, 3, it's already 700 and something South African rand. Things are expensive guys, globally, not just in the UK, not in Africa, everywhere. So 700 and something, close to 1,000 only for 1, 2, 3, and I'm not done yet. See, life is expensive. My basket full of my stuff. Love the goodies. Ooh. Now I can return the trolley, put everything in order. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that lady in front of me. She just bought some stuff and she's walking. Here I am also. We don't have that luxurious thing of everyone having the cars and putting in the car and go. No, actually most of people in the Europe, they do walk, you know. We rely on the buses, on the train, but especially the buses. So yeah, there are quite some few, or maybe many, 50% drive, 50% they don't drive. So like myself, I don't drive in the Europe. I used to drive back in Africa and I never used to walk like this, but I mean, I think it's good to walk, you know, because here the advantages of it, most of the shops, they're just nearer. So that's the advantage. Most of the shops or supermarket, they are nearer, you know. Like where I live, I can walk to Oxford City to Sainsbury, Tesco, but in Tesco I think I need to take a bus. But I mean here, for example, if I have a lot, like too many bags, and I think I just need to take a bus. But if I just have one big bag, I can just literally walk like I'm doing now. The sun is out. Actually, it's a lovely weather to be out. We still have our jerseys and all that because it's not like the sun. This sun is not, it's not strong, but yeah, it's better than nothing. You see, I'll show in front of me. The road is busy today. The road is busy. Okay, my people, so now I'll stop here and end my video as I'm nearly close to home. So guys, as you know, please subscribe to my channel and share the video with anybody, you know. I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. So like, shop with me, go to Waitrose, went to the other side to see where they're doing some bowling and all that. So I've enjoyed my walking as well today, and yeah, I'll end the video, guys, here. So yeah, thank you so much for my returning subscribers. Thank you for your support. Please guys, don't forget to click on the thumbs up and comment, you know, guys. Let's just interact with each other down below in the comment section. Thank you so much, and then that's all for me. That's all for me. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Bye guys, enough of me. Have a lovely day.